Everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about multiplexers, which are a data processing circuit. Now, what is a multiplexer? The term multiplex means many into one. A multiplexer or MUX has many inputs and only one output. It also has data select lines or control lines or signals that allow any one of the inputs to be switched to the output line. That is, by selecting the control signals, we can allow any one of the many input signals to be taken to the output. Hence, it is also known as a data selector. Here, we have the logic symbol of a 1 of n multiplexer or n to 1 multiplexer. It has n input signals, 1 output signal and m control lines. M control signals can have at the most 2 raised to power m values. That is, number of inputs n can be maximum 2 raised to power m. For example, if there are 2 control lines, then we can have a maximum of 2 raised to power 2, that is 4 input lines. Here there are two control lines A and B, then the possible combination of values are A bar B bar or A prime B prime, A bar B or A prime B, A B bar or A B prime and AB. Hence the truth table of this multiplexer can be written as shown. This means that when value of signal A is 0 and B is 0, then at Y we get D0. When A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then we get D1 at Y. When A is equal to 1 and B equal to 0, we get D2 at Y. When A is equal to 1 and B equal to 1, we get D3 at Y. The logic circuit of 4 to 1 multiplexer is as shown, where we have 4 input lines D0 to D3 and 2 control or select signals A and B. The output is obtained at Y. To understand how this circuit works, we will first consider only first part of the circuit, that is, only topmost AND gate with its input lines and select lines. We can see that only these three inputs are going to the first AND gate. It is clear from the figure that output of this AND gate will be D0 only when other inputs to the AND gates are 1. That is, A prime is 1 and B prime is 1. This implies when A is equal to 0 and B equal to 0, then D0 is available at the output of the AND gate. If D0 is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0, and if D0 is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1. So, expression for output of this gate is A prime B prime D0. Similarly, output from other gates are A prime B D1, A B prime D2 and A B D3. Combining, we get the logic equation to the OR gate as Y is equal to A prime B prime D0 plus A prime B D1 plus A B prime D2 plus A B D3. If A is equal to 0 and B equal to 0, Y becomes D0. That is, when select lines A and B are both 0, input at D0 is taken to the output. Similarly, when A is equal to 0 and B equal to 1, Then input at D1 is taken to the output. At this time, all other AND gates are disabled. Similarly, other inputs at D2 and D3 can be taken to the output. Can be verified from this table also. Commercially available multiplexers usually have an additional input line called enable or strobe, denoted by E. It controls the whole circuit. When E equal to 1, then output of the NOT gate is 0. This means that one input to all AND gates is 0. Implies all AND gates are disabled and output will be 0 only from all the gates. When E is equal to 0, then output of NOT is 1. That is, now all AND gates are enabled and the circuit will work exactly as explained before. Here is the logic symbol of 4 to 1 multiplexer with the enable line. Similarly, 8 to 1 and 16 to 1 multiplexers can be set up. That's all for today. Thanks.